Okay, iPhone users, did you know that your keyboard on your phone can do this? Let me show you this magic trick. I don't know about you, but when I send a text message, I'm almost always making some weird mistake. And when I make a mistake, I can usually go back and fix it by moving my cursor. So normally you move your cursor by clicking on the actual words, holding it, and then the cursor appears and you can move it. And you can start typing in whatever space you drop it in. If you didn't know that, hey, you just learned something cool. See, now I can type from where I left that cursor. But did you know there's another way to do it that's way cooler? Let me show you. So instead of actually tapping on the words, I'm going to actually press and hold my spacebar and my keyboard changes. Do you see my cursor moving? Now I can move it around wherever I need to really quick. That is way cool. Let me show it to you in another space. Alright. I'm gonna go into YouTube this time. And I'm gonna go to search. And I'm just gonna type in a word or two here. Now you can see what I've been searching for. Alright. If I want to make changes to that, what I can do is just press and hold my keyboard changes again. So basically what's happening is when I press and hold that, turning my keyboard into a magic mouse. Meaning I can move all around the screen. Pretty cool, like, and follow for more tips and tricks from a tech girl.